Unboxing and reviewing the Saker 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner, multifunction, strong suction. This thing is easy, it's small, it's portable, it's packed with a good power, but we're gonna test that out to make sure. Comes with that piece, the filter, the back, and it has all these additional feature, and it also comes with a bag so you could easily store it away, and the charger. Let's unbox this right now. I have my F350 Super Duty Ford. We're gonna test that out, see if any dust is in there. Plus I have my Denali Yukon. I'm gonna test it out. So we have the bag right here, and if we look right here, we have the charger. Nice little charger right there. This is the small filter right here. These are all additional parts that you could use. You have all the brush and all that stuff, and this is the bad boy right here. So this thing got really good review. I read some of the review. People said the quality was good, suction was good. Wow, it feels nice. The colors, look at the color, beautiful black and gray. This company, Saker, is a pretty good company. They do make wonderful product. If you want more price and details, check in the description box below. All right, so to put this on, you just hold this down. And so this is the blower part. You could add on this nozzle piece right here. You could vacuum there, and you get a blower. So if you have any dust, look, see that? You can blow it. They got different speed, and then you press it again. It's faster. But see that? So we're gonna check out my 350 truck, see if we have any dust. All right, so we don't have much dust here. We're gonna have to go in my other truck, but I'm gonna test it out to show you. Hold for 3 seconds. Look at that. See this? Oh man. Nice. Gets all the fine dust. Look. See that? The hard to reach one. Perfect. All right, so we're gonna test it out in here, which we have a lot of dirt right here. Look at this. We're gonna hold for 3 seconds and check this out. Oh my God, this thing is amazing. Amazing. It's very powerful. This is impressive. So this thing is literally gonna clean the car really fast. So it's not just a car. You could do like small areas around the house and stuff. And then don't forget you have the blower part. You could blow dust if you want to blow stuff out. Look, you just blow it. It's very powerful. For the size and the price, you cannot go wrong. I'm telling you, it's really nice. And with a different attachment. Oh my God. Get all the seat. Good suction. See that? You got cat here, dog here, pet here. This will take care of that. I hooked this blowing part up. We're going to test it out. Oh, look at that. Blows everything out from the car like that. See? Not bad. Alright, so I hooked up the engine part with the brush. So don't forget, they got 2 speed. You gotta hold it down. When you hold it down for 3 seconds, you get your first speed. Press it one more time, you get another higher speed. And the brush on top, it's always to like brush stuff out if it's stuck. And it nicely removes everything, as you guys can see. Look at that. Nice and neat. Clean. I gotta tell you, this is very impressive. When you're done, you just twist this open and you get out the filter. So as I took out the filter, and look, you can see all the dust in there. You empty that in your garbage, and you could blow this out or wash it out and leave it to dry after you wash it before using it out. So this is a reusable filter, so you don't have to keep buying. This is awesome. You have one filter here, and it comes with a different type of one here. For its size, it does give an amazing suction power. So that's a plus. The price is good. The quality is amazing. And the bag, definitely to store it away, is perfect, so we don't have to keep the box. And it has so much features, the additional parts that come with it. So this is a big plus. Check in the description box. Get your hand on this. Check out the price and the details, and buy something that's small, heavy duty, powerful, and portable for wherever you got to travel and go. And it's lightweight. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more upcoming videos on Product Zone.